Hello friends, in this JavaScript fundamentals, now we are going to learn if-else conditions. So let's start the tutorial. So here we have, let's add some of the if-else conditions. We can say if-else condition on the basis of like driving license. If the age is above 18, then console.log you have a like a driving license is applicable. If you're more less than, then you need to create a driving license, something like this we are going to learn. Okay, so basic condition is if this syntax, if, so first of all we can define var age equals to, you can say 18, we can define current age is this. So if age is greater than 18, right, console.log you are applicable for driving license, correct? Age is greater than, else you console.log you are not able to apply for driving license. Okay, so let's um, run this code, load this. You are not able to apply for driving license because current age is 18. So let's make a alert prompt message, prompt a number, please enter your age, correct? Let's check. So it says please enter your age. If I'm saying 21, you are applicable for driving license because my age is greater than this. Again I'm going to reload. 12, you are not able to apply for the driving license. So this is how we can map up with the if else conditions. So somehow if else conditions returns true, false. So what are the possible values? So you can say in some cases it return null, false values. You can say these are the false values. So we are not able to judge null, undefined. You can say zero, blank, empty, or in the case of arrays it shows blank empty array or empty object. In case of the true values, you will return the particular ABC values that we are depending, -1, 1, right? So these kind of values we are returning when all the conditions are met. So true values and the false values, null, undefined. So on the basis of that you need to define the checks, correct? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment if you like my videos. Have a great day.